Dito na ako sa Starbucks. So, I'm here at Starbucks again. Today is Sunday. Good for relaxing. So, because Sunday today, I have my coffee again here at Starbucks. Ito masyadong madaming tao kasi yan ay magang-maaga pa kasi. Ganda kaya ng ambience sa Starbucks dito sa side sa Grand Central, guys. I like the coffee. I like my coffee. Yeah. Ganda ng design nila. Namaya, inom ako dyan.